Hi, welcome back. I had a lot of mirror waste lying around, so I thought, why not use it to make something unique? So today, I will make a unique infinity candle lamp. This is a 6mm one-side mirror. It is also called a mercury mirror. First, I will cut it into a round shape. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. It will really motivate me. Right now, its edges are very sharp. For safety, I will get the edges polished from a commercial area. Now it has become very smooth and perfect. Now I will take some waste wood from the workshop. And with the help of a miter saw, I will cut it at 31.5 degrees. I will set the miter saw to 31.5 degrees. Cutting the lamp's base at a perfect angle might be a bit tricky. Now, I will make a hole in the center for the candle. Now, I will leave it for 24 hours. Now comes the main process. I will do grooving inside it for the mirrors. Now I will sand it using 120, 220, and 400 grit sandpaper. Now, I will give it a natural polish without using any extra color. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. It will really motivate me. Everything is done. Here it is. The glass has a perfect grip in it. What do you think about this lamp? Make sure to share your thoughts in the comments. It is giving a very beautiful, cinematic look. Don't forget to subscribe.